This video tutorial I will explain SQL not null constraint. By default, the column can hold null values. If not null constraint enforces, then the column won't accept null values. The not null constraint enforces the column always contain a value, which means we cannot insert a new record or update a record without adding a value to the particular column. We will see the example now. Here you can see employee table, and in employee table, in employee name column, I have put constraint as not null. So employee name value should not be null while inserting employee record. And for age column also, I have put not null constraint. So age value also should not be null while inserting record in the employee table. And here I am trying to insert one employee record in employee table with employee name value as null and age value as null. We will see what will happen. And it failed, and it is saying employee name column cannot be null. I will put some value. Then again I am executing, and this time it is saying age column should not be null because not null constraint is there. I will put some value, executing, and this time the query was successful. One record is inserted. Here you can see salary column, which is null, and I want to make it not null. Then I can use this query. Alter table, name of the table is employee, modify, column name is salary, and data type is int, and I am changing to not null. And here you can see it changed to not null. You can get Java source code link for each video in the description section of the video. Here you can see the description section. Click on show more, and here you can see the Java source code links. Click on these links to get the Java source code.